So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how I can reset the graphics driver on a Windows laptop easily. Now, in order to do it, simply right click on the Start menu, click on Device Manager right there. Now here in the Device Manager, you'll find the list of all the drivers that are installed on a laptop. Now here, simply go to this option of Display Adapters and you will find the graphics driver, the graphic card that you have. For example, NVIDIA in my case. Now right click over there and hit on this option of update driver, or what you can do, just simply uninstall it. And what it does, it blinks your display screen twice or thrice. Don't worry about it. It simply uninstall the previous graphic drivers and install the new drivers again, and that will solve all your display related issues. Or you can just simply hit update driver and browse the driver from the list that you have on your computer. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.